Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve your problem and just fix the problem is that your sound is not working in your Windows 10 and 11. So how you can resolve that? So I'm gonna make the steps solution to resolve your problem. So you just have to follow all the steps, which we also provide in the description. You just have to just follow the steps. If you don't understand the video, if you don't want to listen all the video, if you don't want says if you don't need to type any command, so you just have to just read the descriptions and just copy the important steps. You just have to just follow that. So first step is that you check the sound output device. So first you have to click the sound icon just like that and find the sound icon on the right on the taskbar and just right click, click the sound icon and select the correct playback device. Make sure your speaker or headphone are not muted, so make sure that it's volume up and make sure that it's not mute. So and the second step is that run audio troubleshooter. So first of all, you're going to the settings and the system and sound and troubleshoot. So I'm gonna go into the settings. I'm going to the settings. I'm gonna go to the sound section. If you don't find, just going to the system and going to system section and the sound section. And the next is that I'm gonna make it properly to understand you how you can do that. Just going to sound section and just troubleshoot option of that, and you see that the troubleshoot sound and troubleshoot and let window detect and fix audio errors automatically. So just have to just tap on that. Just going to the sound section and the troubleshoot. If you find that input devices, it's showing that input device is scanning that, and also in case of output devices it is gonna scan that, so you just have to do that. And the next step is that let window detect and fix automatically. It's going to automatically repair after clicking on that both one. And the third step is that restart window audio services. So just simply just press the window plus R just like that and just type our services.msc, which will provide you in the description. Just copy that prompt and just going to run section and just paste it and just OK it. So it's going to go to that section and find Windows audio. So find the Windows audio in the down. See that is our ABC section, ABC type writers. So I'm gonna go into the Windows section. So my query is that window audios. So see that I'm gonna find that window audio. Just right click and just going to the restart, and you want to restart the services. I'm gonna tap the yes. So after doing that, I'm coding right now, just I'm going to do that. And the next step is that the fourth step, update or install audio drivers. Just going to the device manager, just right click on that windows and just going to the device manager and just follow the steps. Sound, just find a sound section. I'm gonna find the sound. You see the sound videos and many. Just right click on the sound and video, right click, update drivers. Just have the properties. Okay, wait for a second. It's going to scan for hardware changes. I'm gonna wait and wait. Sound, video and game controller. Right click your drivers, update drivers, right click, and my section is not showing the update, so I'm gonna OK it and wait. Properties is not showing the updated driver, so that's why it's not. I think it's driver is already updated, so that's why it's not showing. But in your case, if you find the update option of an update, so you just have to do the update drivers. So the fifth step is that check sound enhancement and formats. So first of all, right click sound icon of that sound icons. So wait for a second, which you will find sound icon, playback and properties. Just like that, sign out, right click, go to settings and wait volume, icons, sounds, playback. Just find a playback, volume, all sound devices. If you don't find, you just have to find it. If you don't find, simply just copy that, right click sound, check sound name and right click sound icon. I'm gonna go into the sound, I think that one. Playback properties, I think that one. Under enhancement, check disable all the enhancements, just OK it. And the sixth step is that set default format. In the same menu, go to the advanced tab, just going to the advanced tab. We'll have to do that, just going to that one and right click and just do it. And the same menu, go to the advanced tab, choose 6-bit, where you will find the systems sound advanced tab, more sound settings, sounds, and just find advanced tab. If we don't find playback, right click properties, and just going to the channel section, change the settings and update drivers. So you just have to do that. After that settings, so 7th step follows. 7th step of restart your PC. Just simply restart your PC and your problem gonna solve. So that's it, the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.